Making moves, it's something we do every day, but seldom do most people include God in their choices and decisions. I know I didn't. I had a knowledge of God, but no true relationship with Him. Growing up in Philly, I got caught up in the streets as a teen, making my own moves, striving for popularity, money, fun. I did whatever it took. I put my trust in material things. I thought they could bring me happiness, but they didn't for long. At the age of 18, I began to look around. See, my life was falling apart. Nothing was stable. I had friends falling off, no future plans. I was living for the moment. I suddenly realized my next move could be fatal. It could determine my eternal existence. See, I knew a lot about God. I even tried to be a Christian several times when I was younger, but I never really took it serious. I never made a true commitment. But when I was 18, I made a move. I made a true commitment. I accepted Jesus Christ into my life. And I'll be real with you, it wasn't some magical overnight change. It was a process for me. I still struggle with things, I still made mistakes. But the more I seeked Him, the more I prayed, the more I studied His Word, it's like everything came into focus. I found direction in my life. I found purpose. I found a true relationship with my Creator. I'm a changed person, y'all. On the outside, I still dress the same, I still look the same. But on the inside, I'm changed. I now live differently. It's not about religion or looking religious. It's about a true relationship with Jesus Christ. So if you're out there today and you've been making your own moves without God in the picture, take inventory. Think about it. Is it working? Even if you had everything, if you look deep inside and let down all the fronts that you put up, you'll see there's a missing element in your life. A relationship with God's Son, Jesus Christ, that's what's missing, y'all. See, God sent His only Son to die on the cross for each one of our sins. All we have to do is accept Christ into our lives, form a relationship. See, we can't earn our way into heaven. And I don't care what you've heard. The Bible clearly states that Jesus Christ is our only ticket to heaven. Romans 10:9 and 10 says that if you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, then you will be saved. It's with your heart that you believe and are justified, and with your mouth that you confess and are saved. I've made my move. Now it's your turn. If you want to accept Christ and make a true commitment to start a relationship with Him, then say this prayer with me. Say, Jesus, I believe you're God's Son. I believe you died for my sins and rose again. Forgive me of all my wrongdoings. I want you in my life. Help me change. I want to live for you.